I'm still looking for a manifold, so while I keep searching, I'm gonna pull the engine because it's so greasy and dirty under it. It's a fire hazard, and I dropped some screws, so we got that going for us. Also, I would like to identify the engine properly. The engine plate is gone, but there has to be more numbers on it. That's what we're doing. The thing with this, it's poorly put together by whoever did the engine swap. So like, there's supposed to be 4 screws, they only use 2. Nothing kind of fits properly. You can also tell that the clutch is probably not aligned properly. We'll look into everything. I struggled so much to get this air filter box out the first time because I couldn't figure out where it was connected. Like, it was loose and everything. But there's an aluminum bar in here, so you have to drop the arms to get to the screw behind. Then it's basically just to pull it out. But literally anywhere I looked as well. Like, no one could tell me on YouTube, no one on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Now you know. Take our wires, hold it, like so. Down here you have the lever for the oil pump. You just have to pop that off, it's on a joint. Then it's the throttle cable, so it's a 10 piece. Give full throttle, hold it, whatever. And then the clamps here, and then we'll take everything out. These are a bitch, because they're just stuck in there, they kinda don't fit or anything. Terrible. Come on, dude. I've lost this clip once before. Luckily I found it. Just to have enough space, I'm gonna take the whole engine mount. I'm gonna start with these 2 bolts, and then there's one inside here, just to have more space when I'm wiggling it out. We need to take the pull cord, and then there's, I think, only like this hose. Probably one on the other side as well, a water hose. Engine mount, and then there's probably something on the other side. Dude, you're long. Okay, I think the engine is free. Yes, such a stupid bolt. Just like a Jesus bolt on a Subaru. Since I'm still waiting for a manifold and the clutch puller for the Articat, I'm gonna clean up the old windpipe and put it online because I don't need it, and also it's a bit pricey. So it is a Speedwerx like Mod X exhaust. They came with a big bore kit and everything. It's not produced anymore. I'm gonna clean it up and put some heat resistant paint on it. That's what we're doing. So what I want to fix on this, I thought there was a crack here, but apparently not. But you can see the end here is mangled a bit, so I need to change this pipe. And also inside of this, there is something loose on this side. On this side, there's something loose, and also I need to fix whatever is up here. Maybe I'll just snip it off a bit. I got a little bit carried away and just fixed everything. So on one of the pipes, the flange here was missing, so I found the fitting pipe and welded it on. I popped open this and I tacked the insulation in place, and this one wasn't anything wrong with. Down here we have the manifolds, which are just scrubbed. But now we can get to painting. And we're done. Now I can just put it online so someone can buy it. So my clutch puller finally showed up in the mail, so now we can take the clutch off. I don't have the key to loosen the belt on this. The threads are still nice, so we're not deforming anything. Okay, so I found a key, a clutch key for the Ski-Doo. It's supposedly the same, but they have ruined the threads on the clutch, secondary clutch head. So now I'm adding some thread tape to see if it catches. Oh no. Okay, what are we doing then? Think we can do it with this? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this screwdriver, I'm gonna chop it here, and then we'll try. Aha! Who needs a puller? If Milwaukee wanna send me a late birthday present, I will happily take a impact on battery. Do we have some lube anywhere? What is this? Shock oil. Do we use shock oil? Two more. Oh. Nice. Haha. My brand new puller. And it's stuck in there. Okay. I am aware that I should probably have used an extension bar on a piece of pipe on that. Yeah, but it shouldn't be this stuck. There's many factors here. It has probably never been off, and I probably also fucked up a bit. So I think this is gonna take a lot more time now.